Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to create avatar using AI. So we are going to engage our audience. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using CapCut, so you can create account easily on it. And then on left side you see AI tool. So click on it. So we are in AI tools section, and then you see create with AI. So click on it, and then you see avatars. Engage your audience with desired avatar. So click on it. So we are going to create or generate it. So now we are in pp.capcut.com, and then you see avatar video. I got it. So click on it, and then you see create avatar video. Accurate lip sync will be available after export. Now you see choose avatar. You see we have multiple options. So click on apply and then show here, so you can check it. Now you see gender, age, name, industry. You see multiple options, outfit style. So you can select according to requirement. You see a lot of it, and then you see edit script. So click on it. So we are going to add it. Now click on it, and then you see script. So you can edit it. So we edit. So you can add your, and then you see language. Select the language you want to translate your script to. Now you see multiple language. So we select English only, and then click on save. Now you see show as caption enable. Now you see now saving. Now save done, and then you see length 14 seconds for this video, and then you see caption hello stay updated with, and then you see style caption style, and if you want you can click on edit more. So it's up to you. So you can change voice, add music, edit media. So it's up to you. And then we are going to export video. So click on it. Now you see export setting. So you can add name, watermark. So we select with watermark, resolution, quality, MP4. So click on download. Now you see download. Click here if your download has not started. Got it published. So click on save. Now save done. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.